Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best Nespresso machines that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Nespresso machines. It can be great. They offer a hugely simplified way to make your morning coffee. But the process of choosing a machine is much less simple. There's a wide range of Nespresso-compatible machines on the market. Number 5. Best Nespresso machines. It makes great use of the Virtuoline centrifusion function, and it's able to make a whole range of coffee concoctions. Enjoy straight espresso, lungo, ristretto, and main features. Extra large reservoir, powerful boiler, versatile thanks in large part. Number 4. Nespresso City's espresso maker. It is able to keep up with other Nespresso machines, thanks in large part to its respectable 19-bar extraction system. Main features. Small profile fits into any kitchen. Brew directly onto ice easily. 19-bar pump promises satisfying crema. Number 3. Nespresso Initia Espresso Maker. It is like the previous model, a good choice for those who already know what kind of Nespresso they like. With a simple control system and a quick boiler, this machine will not disappoint. Main features. Simple and easy to use. Small footprint makes. Heats up quickly. Number 2. Nespresso Latissima Plus Espresso Brewer. This machine uses Nespresso's original pods, and this makes it another good choice for traditionalists. With a great heating system. Main features. Combination espresso and milk frothing. Powerful boiler. Easy to clean and maintain. Number 1. Nespresso Virtuoline Coffee and Espresso Machine Bundle. This machine includes a 40-ounce water reservoir and a clever auto shutoff feature. Additionally, it can eject capsules after brewing. Main features. Quick brewing. Both hot and cold milk froth. Huge range of Virtuoline pods to choose from. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.